Hey, good afternoon. This is Darren down at Laird Wheaton GM Nanaimo. I have behind me a 2017 GMC Sierra double cab. This is a 4x4 with about 46,000 K on it. We have this truck priced at $38,500. I also have a 2017 Chevrolet. This one's about $35,700. It's got about 57,000 K on it. They're both 2017s, four-wheel drive double cabs. We'll do a quick walk around here, show you interior-wise as well, and see what your thoughts are from there. Thank you for checking these out today. Please let me know if you have any questions or comments.